Hello there YouTube land, and welcome back to the Small Workshop Adventures. Just a little bit of housekeeping as we just before we get started. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Click the thumbs up button. It helps YouTube understand that you like this sort of content, and it really benefits me as a channel. So please click the thumbs up and like and subscribe. So what are we doing today? Well, the sun is shining, and it's a beautiful weather day to be outside working on a job. What I'm going to be doing today is making a big, quite a sizable size planter, all out of sleepers, so oak sleepers. So we're going to be working with some fairly big pieces of material. So that's what we're going to do on the channel. So enjoy. So this is the area we're talking about. There's one, we just put a sleeper down there, and we're going to make it there. And we have a nice pile of sleepers there. So lots to get on with. Cement mixer, sand, cement, it's all here. Looking good. So we're going to get on with it. Planter made from oak sleepers. That's what we've done here. When you're doing this sort of thing, you need decent cutting tools to cut. I've used a chainsaw and I've used my recip saw. So two quite crucial. You could do it with a recip saw, you could do it with a chainsaw. You probably could do it with a rip saw as well, a really decent rip saw. But as long as you've got something decent to cut them, then it's actually really straightforward. Using really carpenter's mate screws, so we're using their 190 millimeters each, the size of the screws, hex, so just driven in with the impact driver. So a nice easy project. So thank you for watching, and please again like and subscribe, click the thumbs up button, and that's all it is for this video. So from me, Mark, at the Small Workshop Adventures, take care everybody. Bye.